Folks, gold is going through the roof. It's totally bonkers, you guys. Buy gold now. Seriously.
Experts say it's less storm warning and more jet engine full of chaos.
Inflation, geopolitics, a weak dollar, hoarding, and now therapy costs. These are the tailwinds of doom.
Shutdown drama in D.C. and faith in money evaporating faster than a politician's promise. Gold is running high, folks. Like really high. The bears are getting crushed. Hey, you see this? Gold's hitting 4,000. This is huge, man.
My advice? This is the best time to trade.